What's up everybody? Welcome to BalkanMoto. Today we're going to start painting the back wall. Okay, now that the ceiling is fully black and all the framing here, and there are all black, we're going to focus on the back wall. So before we start putting paint on it, I'm just going to take off the covers on the electrical outlets and the switch. And I'm not going to tape up the door because the door is going to be painted anyways. Same with the staircase. And then we're going to start cutting the corners and start painting. Okay, the wall is all prepped and we can start cutting the corners. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the edge up all the way around and then down. And then we're going to do around each of the outlets and switches, around the door and the stairwell, and then we're going to do the roller all around. Okay, we have all the edges cut. Now let's get the roller and start rolling on. In terms of the color I'm using, it's actually a neutral gray. Right now it's kind of hard to tell what it is because the wall orangey, peachy color makes it look purple. And the white lights at the top make it, and the black make it look bluish. But once it's fully painted and dry, it will start to look more like the actual color. So, okay, first coat is done. And now it's actually looking very gray, which is great, that's the goal. We'll see how that changes once the staircase and the door are also black. Obviously the tool bench and the rest of the new tool benches are in place. The second coat is on, so now to dry, put the covers back on, hook up the central vac back in, and this wall is done. Next, we're probably going to move on to the bike wall. All right, and this is after everything is dry. It's actually a nice gray that we're getting here. I put on all the electrical covers. Everything works. The central vac works, the outlets work, the light switch works. So now let's move on to this wall. All right, and the first coat on that wall is done as well. All right, and here it is with the second coat. It still needs to dry. Once dried, I actually did this part up there. I didn't do the corner. I was just using the remainder of the paint that I had in the tray, as well as this side. This is just a single coat, but that would be doubled up tomorrow. And then the only thing left is this wall. All right, I did the edge up on top on the side, and I've done the edge here. So let's paint this wall as well. And the first coat on this wall is done as well. So now the garage is fully gray. Now to just wait for that to dry off, this to dry off, and we're gonna do these two with one more coat, and we're done with the gray paint. All right, and this is when everything is dry. The garage looks a lot better. Just look at it from the other side. Alright guys, that was it for this episode. The garage is finally painted. In the next episode, we're going to focus on the stairs and the door. Getting closer to being done. Make sure to subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications when new videos become available. Check me out on Instagram at BalkanMoto 2018 and check out BalkanMoto.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.